Carolina, South Carolina. Let's go. I'm making my way through. What's up, y'all? I made it to South Carolina. I am pushing through. So got through Georgia super quick. I'm on the Carolina state line right now. I'm at their welcome center here. So that's where I'm at. Get out, stretch my legs, get me something to eat. It is currently 4:47. I take a break between 5 and 7 p.m. because I don't want to be out here doing rush hour traffic. That's going to slow up my process. So yeah, I'm in the South Carolina. I'm finna say Kakalaka. Why was I going to say Kakalaka? I don't know. But yeah, I'm in South Carolina. So I'm going to sit here. I'm going to rest a bit. Yeah, and then I'll get back on the road. I will see y'all, or I'll keep y'all updated as I go through. So I am parked for the night. I bagged in. Behind me is a little lake or a pond, so no one can come behind me. Yeah, so I'm comfortable. I have my little cup here that I'm gonna go ahead and sip on some, what is it called? Starry. And I have my makeup bag here to make sure I push this all the way to the top. My little, what do you call this thing? My Reflectic. And I'm sitting here watching the new Good Times cartoon. My pizza is there on the floor with a little balled up paper towel. So yeah, getting ready to go to bed. I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, good morning. Oh, I just pulled my thing off. So I am currently in South Carolina, pushing my way through. I am at a rest stop. I spent the night here last night. We are not doing that early morning camera in my face type situation, because I'm sitting with a scarf on my head and I just don't do that. So, yeah, I'm here in South Carolina. It is currently like 8:17 a.m. It's kind of cast over today. But I'm so sorry. I know that it looks very shabby on the inside, my little makeshift window covers, but trust me, on the outside it doesn't look bad at all because my windows are already tinted pretty dark. So it just looks like I have tint that you can't see through. I have my reflectors up and I put my little makeup bag here to make sure that it sits flush up against the window and doesn't have like that little gap. So that really helped a lot. As you can hear, the birds are chirping. I'm gonna give myself until 9 a.m. to hit the road because I'm trying to kind of beat rush hour traffic. I'm not gonna get anything to eat for breakfast because I don't typically eat breakfast on a daily anyway. So I'm not gonna change my routine just because I'm on the road. But yep, that's front to back. Back windows had no covering, but I'm actually backed up against a fence and then there's like water behind me. So I made sure I parked in a way that, you know, I don't have a lot of activity behind me. So, all right, y'all, I'll come back once I get on the road. Good morning, y'all. I am right outside of Love's travel stop, and I am just a hair off of the Virginia state line, so I'm technically in Virginia. I'm literally only like an hour and some change away from my sister's house. Like I said, it's really early, so I decided to stop, clean out my vehicle, take a shower, get changed, and head on in to go visit my family. So I'm gonna tell you about the Love's shower experience. It's kind of cool out here, so I gotta make sure I put on something that's warm. So I'm gonna go into the back and pick out I'm gonna go in the back and pick out an outfit to wear. That'll be the outfit that I'll have on for the day. Do my hair, do my makeup, all that good stuff. I'll probably do my makeup in the car, but I am gonna go inside and do my hair. So yeah, come along with me to Love's Travel Stop. Silent drive I used to ignore. Look at the architecture. I am in Virginia, y'all. Look at the architecture. Like, that's beautiful. Look at that. I am here in Virginia. I finally made it. I'm here with my sister and my niece. We're going to Plato's Closet. Look at her beautiful self. That's my niece. Isn't she gorgeous? So we are gonna go to Plato's Closet. I've never been to Plato's Closet before, so this should be interesting. Plato's Closet. Here's my sister. What up, people? Hi.